What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. I have a very, very exciting video to shoot. As you can see by the title, it's a good one. I made this exact video pretty much yesterday, but I feel like I kind of butchered it. So here we go again, making the same exact video twice because I want this to be as easily digestible as possible. So this one is going to be a little bit more in depth. It's going to be, a little bit more methodical, and yeah, I just don't want to miss anything. I want you guys to get a full picture of exactly what this tool is. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. First, you're obviously going to need to get onto GHL. You're going to need to go to automations, and I have this in a folder called posts, or in Instagram automations, and then into posts. So I made this one yesterday. You can check that video out after this one, but here we're going to start from scratch, hit create workflow. We're going to start from scratch. We'll take a sip of water while this is loading. All right. So for new trigger, we're just going to type in Instagram here, and it says Instagram comments on post. So obviously it says we are in the beta version, but I can assure you this works just fine. So we're just going to hit draft or publish right away. So let's just see here. So this is, okay, never mind. That's not something that we want to get into. So page is, so if you have multiple pages, I don't even know if you can, I think you can do multiple pages. Actually, yes, you can do multiple pages. You're going to select the page that you want to post to, or you want to gather that information from. Post type is, you're probably going to do publish post. Can you do? Oh, okay. I was thinking if you could do scheduled posts, so it would be scheduled to gather that information from that scheduled post. That would be kind of crazy. Uh, I'm assuming that's the future, but anyway, you want to select publish post. Post is, and then this is where you are going to figure out which one you want to select. So I am going to select a sneak peek into, actually, no, I'm not going to select that. I am going to select this. The announcement is here. Creating content CA. Let's check out what this is. I don't even know what this, well, actually, I kind of do know what this is. So I have a very exciting opportunity for you all. Details are in the description. So this was posted 3 days ago, and there's obviously very, very little, pretty much no engagement. So there's no point for me to really make an automation because I don't think this is going to pick up at all. But the call to action is comment me and let's grow together. So what I'm going to do is that is going to be the post that I make this automation on, and I am going to select exact match and type in me and track first level comments only. So I'm going to toggle that on because I don't want this trigger to fire on anything besides first level comments. So first level comments meaning if you have multiple comments, the only comment that, or the only comment that this automation reads and triggers on is the first level, that first comment. I'm gonna make my picture a little bit smaller here. I don't even know if you can see this on this page, but whatever. Okay, so save trigger, and now we are going to go into action. So this is, I think you can type in, okay, so Instagram interactive messenger. So when you select this, the default's going to be reply to comment via, oh wait, no, scratch that. That is not what you're going to want to do. So you're going to scroll down to reply in comments. I did this wrong last night too. So reply in comments, and this is where you are going to insert some replies. So you could say sent, link is in your DM. So DM'd, yeah, go check it out. I like to only include one exclamation point, otherwise I feel like it just looks a little overkill. You can add emojis if you hit edit, emoji and symbol, and then you can just add whatever emojis you want. So I think this one's cool. So you could do good stuff, check DMs. So that message is kind of more hip, and that emoji, I feel like that emoji fits that pretty well. So this is a really cool point right here. So you can hit like comments. So as soon as you toggle that on, when someone comments me or comments whatever your exact phrase match is, it'll like that comment, and then it will send them, or it will reply with this message, and then whatever you want to do after that. So let's just say after that, I want to DM them because I said that the link is in their DMs or whatever. So I can't even remember. Oh, okay. So this, you guys don't have to read this, but this doesn't really have anything to do with a link, but I'm going to include a link anyway. Check out maxcrone.com for updates. I'll include my Realtor brand. I'm just spitballing right here. This is actually, like, this Realtor brand boost guide. This is actually something that I've built, and this is like a lead magnet that I have been using. But okay, you know what? Here's a link to my, and I don't have that right now, but you guys get the picture. So what we're gonna do is hit save. I don't know if I have other accounts set up here, but we're gonna try. So switch accounts, cool. Go to Max Crone, and now what we're gonna do is we are going to go to that exact post. All right, awesome. So let's see here, which post is that? We're gonna go to Reels. Okay, so it's this one right here, and we're just gonna show you live time what happens if, let's just say, we type in me with not a capital E. Let's see if it's case sensitive. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna wait just a little bit and see if we get any sort of response. So we could actually check the execution log right here, and it should pop up. So 9:43. Oh, okay. So this is some kind of interesting information. It does work. This automation does work on whatever it's called. On, oh my gosh, I can't even think right now. On non-case sensitive. So they just commented me, and it says DM Jeff, go check it out. So now we'll check out our DMs here. Awesome. Great. Cool. All right. So now, as beautiful as that is, now what if you want to make an if-else statement? So let's just say the workflow contact. No, let's say. Okay, why can't I do a replied? Oh, I need a wait step. Duh. Oh my gosh. Can you tell I haven't done this in a little bit? All right. Oops. Am I drunk? Contact reply, replied step, Instagram DM, and we are going to select timeout of 1 day. So wait for reply or 1 day. Oh my gosh. All right. So now I'm gonna go down here. If else, reply. Oh, I'm actually gonna do replied. So yeah, I'll do replied. Then none branch. You know what? We can just go no reply. So now contact reply. Contact replied is true. And then this, so if you guys are relatively new to Instagram or GHL workflows or workflows in general, what this does is as soon as this comment happens, this, we reply to the comment. We reply to their comment with obviously another comment. And then after that, it the back end instantly DMs them whatever this message is, and then they wait for a reply or a 1 day or 1 day. So like if the 1 day passes and they haven't replied yet, it goes down this path. If they've replied to this message right here, if they've replied, then it goes down this path. So when it goes down this path, you can do a series of, you could do add task or make it maybe send internal notification that you gotta do something, or you do add task, message egg lead assign to due in, let's just say 2 days. I think that's respectable. So I really can't work my hands today. And then after this, let's just say they don't reply after that day. Then what we can do is poke. Oh my gosh, poke message. Boom. Poke message. And then if you wanted to duplicate this, so you could, if you wanted to poke them again, or maybe that second poke would be, hey, just so you know, I'm not going to reach back out to you. This is just kind of last ditch effort to make a meaningful connection with you, something like that. You can just hit this button. This is getting crazy. So you can hit this button, copy. So these 3 buttons, copy all actions from here, and then copy here. And now it's going to wait for another day, and maybe instead of a day, you say 36 hours. So hours. So maybe, well, I guess that wouldn't make a whole lot of sense. Maybe you want to do like, oh, okay. You know what? Yeah. No. Let's just do 2 days. So, excuse me. Man, I'm all over the place. So, as soon as they replied in this situation, let's just say you make a post, they comment, the trigger word, you reply to their comment automatically, or the software replies to their comment automatically, and then it pops a DM in their inbox. Then they reply to that message, boom, done. Then you get a message saying, hey, this person's interested in whatever you have to offer. Let's say this question or this um, let me know what you think, and if you want to talk more about how I can help you on a social media marketing front. So obviously that's not a question, and that wouldn't lead to this right here being a successful quote unquote lead. But it's just it's just an example of what's possible with this. So yeah, if you have and this is just kind of one way that you could have gone with this. You can make super elaborate opportunities and wait for reply, or 2 day doesn't reference step. Oh, okay. Looks like I didn't reference a step here. All right. I'm gonna label this as poke just to make sure, because okay, what? Because this is those had the same names. So now we go back to wait and we have reply to poke. Awesome. All right. Let's see here. Hopefully that was insightful to you. If you guys enjoyed that, drop a like and subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot more content in the future about, first of all, how to use MK Media software, as well as videos on how to improve your brand as a realtor. And I might have some community-based content coming out soon. Just a little sneak peek. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, morning, whatever, whatever time it is for you. And yeah, peace out. See you next time.